This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zanzanit Misal. This authentic dish is renowned for its unique blend of textures and bold flavors, offering a truly satisfying meal. We begin with 1½ cups of sprouted moth beans, providing a hearty base, alongside essential aromatics like ginger garlic paste and fresh curry leaves. Additionally, we will need a selection of specific spices, including red chili powder and garam masala, to develop the signature taste. Gathering these high-quality ingredients ensures your misal will be both delicious and truly traditional. First, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pot, then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter briefly. Follow with a pinch of asafoetida and 10 fresh curry leaves, cooking for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, sautéing for 1 minute until aromatic. Add the 1½ cups of sprouted moth beans, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, mixing thoroughly. Pour in 2 cups of water, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes, ensuring the beans are tender with a slight bite. Now let us create the spicy cat, which is the heart of the misal. In a separate pan, heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, then add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté until golden brown, which takes about 7 minutes. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for 1 minute, then add a paste made from dried coconut and 25 grams of red chilies, sautéing until oil separates, about 5 minutes. Pour in 4 cups of hot water. Add salt to taste, and simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing the rich flavors to develop beautifully. Assembling your Zanzanit Misal is where all the wonderful elements come together. First, ladle a generous portion of the yuzu into your serving bowl. Next, pour a liberal amount of the spicy cat over the yuzu, creating that signature, vibrant layer. Garnish your misal with a handful of finely chopped red onions, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, and a generous crunch of farsan. Finally, serve this delightful dish immediately with soft, warm pav and fresh lime wedges on the side, inviting everyone to enjoy its complex, satisfying taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.